Hi, good evening. This is Makaluma or Mark Tampus as you all know. This is just an update for the prehistoric texture. I remember saying just last week that creating my fan-made prehistoric texture project for Dino Crisis 2 could take as long as 3 years to complete. Well, things have moved much faster than I expected. It has only been about 2 weeks and I have already completed the texture work for the third energy facility. I am now moving forward to Edward City, where I will continue rebuilding and upgrading the game's visual assets with the prehistoric texture style. If development continues at this pace and everything goes according to plan, there is a possibility that the entire prehistoric texture project could actually be completed as early as September. That is something I honestly did not expect when I first started this project. I also know that some of you may have noticed that my overtaken texture uploads have slowed down or temporarily stopped. The reason is quite simple. I became heavily motivated to work on the prehistoric texture project, so I decided to focus my time and energy on it first. That is simply how I tend to work my projects. When I become deeply motivated by a particular idea, I like to follow that momentum and push the project as far as I can before moving on to something else. You may have noticed that this is in my uploads as well. Sometimes I publish a post or development update, but the actual texture files are not uploaded yet. That is because I prefer to finish the work properly first, rather than rush an unfinished texture pack just to have something available for download. Once the prehistoric texture project is completed, I will start giving more time to my other projects again. I will gradually work through the overtaken texture releases and my other texture projects, and I will begin uploading them one by one. There is still a lot of work ahead, but seeing the project already reach third energy facility and now move into Edward City is a huge step forward. So, if you want to follow the development of my texture projects, keep checking my post on Nexus Mods or ModDB or my Facebook page. No, I don't have Facebook page. Facebook account. And here in YouTube, my YouTube channel, I will continue sharing updates as the projects progress. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and to everyone who watch all my past videos and this video as well. Now you know what is happening behind the scenes. Good evening.